Right, next it's about topic integration by using partial fraction. Okay, look at the notes for integration by using partial fraction. Okay, it has two polynomials, which is px over qx. Okay, so this one is polynomial, this one also polynomial. Px we call as numerator, qx we call as denominator. Okay, so if the degree of numerator it is less than the degree of denominator, we call as proper rational function. For example, we have a function x over x squared plus 1. Okay, so x it is power 1. The degree of the numerator it is less than the degree of the denominator. Then we can call this function as a proper rational function. Okay, because of the degree of numerator it is less than the degree of denominator, we call as a proper rational function. Okay, what if the degree of numerator it is more than or equal the degree of the denominator? For example, x squared minus 2 divided by x. So the degree of the numerator it is more than the degree of denominator. We call as improper rational function. Okay, so for this topic, we're gonna integrate by using partial fraction, but only this topic that we need to focus. Improper rational function tak masuk dalam syllabus. Okay, so we only need to focus this proper rational function. Okay, so how to solve by using partial fraction? Okay, look at your notes, page 69, example 2.17. Okay, example 2.17, page 69, 69. Okay, we have the integral of 2 over 2x plus 1 x minus 2. Okay, for this topic it is about distinct linear factors. We have two types. This one is distinct linear factors and another one is repeating linear factors. Okay, so kita fokus pada 2.17 first. Okay, so this one is linear factor. Okay, this one is linear factor. Okay, what is the difference between linear factor and quadratic factor? For linear factor, okay, linear factor, for example, we have x, we have 2x, we have x plus 3, we have 5x minus 4. This one we call as linear factor. Okay, for example. For quadratic factor, for example, we have x squared, we have x squared plus 4, we have x squared minus 3x, we have x squared plus 2x plus 5. So this one, it is example for quadratic factor. Okay, boleh faham nah? So this one, distinct linear factor. Okay, distinct linear factor. So how to solve this one? First, okay, yang ni dx, okay. Okay, first you need to take out this terms. 2 over 2x plus 1 times x minus 2. Okay, take out this one first. Okay, no need to integrate. Okay, bila ada awak jumpa bentuk soalan yang macam ni, okay, bentuk soalan yang 2 over with linear factor macam ni, so we need to use the partial fraction. So how to use the partial fraction? Okay, so first we need to take out distance, 2 over 2x plus 1 times x minus 2. Okay, and then it is equal, from the single fraction, okay, from the single fraction, you need to break it down into smaller fraction. A over 2x plus 1. And then plus b over x minus 2. From a single fraction, you need to break it down into a smaller fraction. Okay, make it in 2 fractions. Okay, what is a and b? A and b is a constant number. Okay, a and b is a constant number. And then next, you need to multiply both sides. Okay, multiply both sides with 2x plus 1, x minus 2. Why we need to multiply this one? Because we need to cancel this one. Okay, cancel bahagian denominator. Okay, we need to cancel bahagian denominator yang kat bawah ni. Okay, so we need to multiply both sides with 2x plus 1 times x minus 2. So, this one, 2 over 2x plus 1, x minus 2. We can cancel out, right? With this one, can cancel out. So, yang ni tinggal 2. Right? For a over 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1 times 2x plus 1, we can cancel out, right? Then we can, the rest is x minus 2 times a. Plus b over x minus 2. X minus 2, we can cancel out with this one, x minus 2. So the rest is 2x plus 1. We need to times with b. Okay, can you get it? You nampak tak? And then we need to find the value for a and b. We need to find the value for a and b. How to find? By letting, okay, by letting x equals to 2. Why I let x equals to 2? Because when we substitute 2 into x, okay, 2 minus 2 we get 0, right? Okay, for example, when we substitute 2 into x, 2 minus 2 we get 0. 0 times a we get 0. So we can get a chance to get the value for b. Okay, because for this step we gonna find the value for a and b. So how to find? We have to let any numbers that we can cancel out. Either we want to cancel out for a to get the value for b, or you want to cancel out b to get the value for a. Okay, either one. If you want to cancel, either one. Okay, but now I want to cancel a first because I want to get the value for b. So, nak cancelkan a, I let x equals to 2 because 2 minus 2 we get 0. 0 times a is 0. So, we can eliminate the a to get the value for b. Can you understand? Okay, boleh faham tak? Okay. Okay, saya masukkan x sama dengan 2 ke dalam ni. 2 darab 2, 2 tolak 2 dapat 0. So, 0 darab dengan a, kita akan dapat 0. Okay, so kita ada chance untuk dapatkan value b. Okay, so 2 equals to a, 2 minus 2, plus b, 2. This one also, we need to substitute 2 into x. Okay, and then 2, it is equal, 2 minus 2 we get 0. 0 times a is 0. Then b is 2 times 2 we get 4. 4 plus 1 we get 5. 5 times b, it is 5b. So, the value for b is 2 over 5. Okay, so we have done to find the value for b. What about for a? Okay, so for a, I will let x equals to negative 1 over 2. Okay, why? Why? Because we can cancel out, we can eliminate the we can eliminate B to find the value for A. Okay, so 2 it is equal, ambil yang first ni balik. Okay, ambil yang first ni, first equation ni balik. Okay, from 1. Okay, A, X is negative 1 over 2 minus 2 plus B is 2. Okay, this X, we need to substitute the value negative 1 over 2 plus 1. Okay, and then solve kan dia. 2 it is equal negative 1 over 2 minus 2. You will get negative 5 over 2A. Okay, and then this one, 2 times negative 1 over 2. Okay, 2 divide 2, you can cancel. Negative 1 plus 1, it is 0. Okay, negative 1 plus 1, it is 0. 0 times B, you get 0. So, the rest is 2 equals to negative 5 over 2A. And then you can solve for A is negative 4 over 5. Then you can, we have done, get the value for A and B. So, for A is negative 4 over 5. For B is 2 over 5. Okay. So, ni saya padam lah. After you have done, find the value for A and B. Okay. So, tadi tu, yang asal tadi ni. Okay, saya tulis balik. Okay, integrate 2 over 2x plus 1 times dengan x minus 2 dx. It is equal, okay, asalnya saya letak apa tadi? A over 2x plus 1 plus b over x minus 2, right? So, we get the value for A and B, right? So, substitute into A and B. Okay, this one is integrate. Then, you need to integrate also. Integrate negative 4 over 5 divided by 2x plus 1. Actually, this one. Okay, integrate yang asal dia. Okay, and then plus B is 2 over 5. X minus 2. Okay, dx. Okay, and then negative 4 over 5, it is constant number. So, take out the constant number. 1 over 2x plus 1 dx plus 2 over 5 it is constant number. Okay, take out the constant number. Integrate 1 over x minus 2 dx. Okay, and then what? Then you can integrate. Okay, integrate negative 4 over 5. Integrate 1 over 2x plus 1. Okay, differentiate ln x. How do we get? 1 over x, right? So, integrate 1 over x. We can get back the ln x, right? So, integrate 1 over 2x plus 1. We get ln 2x plus 1. Okay, integrate 1 over x, ln x. Integrate 1 over 2x plus 1, ln 2x plus 1. This one also. 2 over 5. Integrate 1 over x minus 2, it is ln x minus 2. And don't forget to plus c. So, this is the answer. Okay, so this is concept of partial fraction. Okay, partial fraction. Awak kena divide into 2 fractions. From the single fraction, divide into 2 fractions. And then to get the value for A and B, you need to multiply the 2x plus 1, x minus 1. Yang awal-awal tadi tu yang saya ajar. Okay, yang before this. Okay, awak kena cari value A and B. Dah dapat value A and B, then substitute value A and B. Okay, then barulah awak boleh integrate. Okay, 4 over 5 and 2 over 5 is a constant. Bawa keluar dulu. then awak tinggalkan, dia akan tinggal 1 over 2x plus 1. Integrate this one, you get ln 2x plus 1. Also for this one also. Okay, you found now? So this is for distinct linear factors. How about repeating linear factors? Look at example 2.18. Okay, 2.18. Okay, look at example there. Okay, we need to integrate x over x minus 3 power 2 dx. Okay, boleh nampak nah? Then take out this term first. X over x minus 3 power 2. Okay, so make it in smaller fraction. Okay, a over x minus 3 plus b over x minus 3 power 2. Because we have repeating linear factors here. Okay, x minus 3. It will be like this. X minus 3, x minus 3. This is we call as repeating linear factors. So, we need to breaking down into smaller fraction. A over x minus 3 is power 1. Because of this one, we have power 2. So, the next constant number, b, divided by x minus 2 power 2. Okay, if we have power 3 here, okay, so we have a repeating linear factors with three linear factors. Okay, so kalau ada power 3 kat sini, then we gonna add c over x minus 3 power 3. Okay, this one we call as repeating linear factors. Okay, kenapa bentuk dia macam ni? Kenapa 1, 2, 3 macam ni? This is the way to settle up. Okay, memang cara dia macam ni. Okay, this is concept dia. Alright, so but now we have power 2. So only a plus b. Okay, dia faham setakat ni? And then what? You need to multiply both sides. Okay, multiply both sides with x minus 3 times 2. X minus 3 power 2. Okay, so this one, x over x minus 3 power 2. This one we can cancel out. Right? So, tinggal x saja. And then for e over x minus 3 power 1. This one is power 2. Okay, so power 1 we can cancel out. And then tinggal 1, right? So, yang x minus 3 yang tinggal 1 tu, you need to times with a. X minus 3. Okay, because this one is power 1, this one is power 2. So, tinggal 1 tu darab dengan a. Okay, and then plus. Okay, x minus 3 power 2, x minus 3 power 2. So, we can cancel out. Okay, tinggal b sahaja. Then, we need to find the value for a and b. Okay, how to find the value for a and b? Okay, I will let x equals to 3. Why x equals to 3? Because when we substitute 3 into x, 3 minus 3, we get 0. So 0 times a, we get 0. So we get a chance to get the value of b. Right? So this one, x is 3. A, 3 minus 3 plus b. So 3 minus 3, you get 0. 0 times a is 0. Then b equals to 3. Okay. And then how to get the value for a? Okay. I will let x equals to 0. Okay. Actually, you can let any numbers. Okay. Any numbers. Asalkan awak boleh dapat value tu. Okay. As long as you solve the correct numbers lah. Okay, the correct value. Okay, awak kena solve betul-betul. Okay, and then for x, this one, okay, take out the first equation. Okay, first equation ni. So x equals to 0, substitute 0 into x, then a x minus 3. Okay, substitute 0 into x. It is 0 minus 3 plus, we know that b is 3, right? So, okay, masukkan 3 tu into b. And then we can solve. Okay, 0 equals to 0 minus 3, it is negative 3 times a, negative 3a plus 3. So negative 3a, okay, move to the left side. Okay, it will become positive 3a. Alright, and then solve for a. 3 divide 3, you get 1. Okay, so we have done to find the value for a and b. We know that a is 1, b is 3. Okay, ini saya padam nah. Then so we need to integrate. Okay, take from the equation. Okay, x over x minus 3 power 2 dx. It is equal, integrate. A, we know that a is 1, right? So 1 over x minus 3. Okay, dx plus b is 3, right? So integrate 3 over x minus 3 power 2 dx. Okay, we have power 2 here, so power 2. Okay, and then integrate 1 over x minus 3. It is ln x minus 3. And then 3 is a constant. Okay, 3 is a constant. Take out the constant number. So 1 over x minus 3 power 2 dx. So how to integrate this one? Because we have power 2. Okay, ln x minus 3 plus 3, integrate 1 over x minus 3 power 2. We cannot integrate as like this, ln x minus 3 power 2. This is wrong answer. Bukan macam ni Okay, walaupun 1 over x minus 3 power 2, awak tak boleh jawab macam ni, ln x minus 3 power 2. No, this is wrong answer. Okay, you need to let what? Let u equals to x minus 3. And then you need to differentiate. Use the integral by substitution. Okay, you need to differentiate. Differentiate x, we get 1. Differentiate negative 3, it is 0. So make it dx as a subject. It is equal du. Then this one, integrate 1 over x minus 3, we let as u, right? So 1 over u power 2 dx is du. Okay, use substitution method. Okay, and then ln x minus 3 plus 3, then you can integrate this one. Okay, nak integrate this, u power 2, bring it up. Okay, it will become u negative 2, right? Okay, it will become u negative 2. U negative 2 du. So ln x minus 3 plus 3, integrate u power negative 2. U negative 2 plus 1, we get negative 1 over negative 1. And then don't forget to plus c. Okay, so ln x minus 3, positive, negative, we'll get negative here. So 3, u negative 1, bring it down, it will become positive. Okay, negative 1 ni, we need to change into positive power. Okay, positive value. Okay, so 1 over u. Okay, plus c. So we know that u, we need to change into x minus 3. Okay, we need to change in terms of x. So u is x minus 3. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, boleh faham tak? 3 ni yang ni lah. Macam ni. Okay, ataupun 3 times 1, you can, okay, dia akan jadi macam ni lah. Okay, Tak ada masalah. You faham tak? Okay, kalau ada apa-apa soalan boleh tanya WhatsApp K.